The soap trick usually clears most minor plumbing clogs in about 20 minutes, so plan a half-hour window when you try it. Start by removing standing water if possible, so the soap and hot water can reach the blockage directly. Use grated or liquid soap that dissolves quickly, and add 1 to 2 cups of boiling water poured slowly so it does not cool instantly. For tougher grease or hair clogs, add a 1/4 cup of coarse salt to help scour the pipe surfaces as the soap flows through. Work from the drain opening, not the overflow, and avoid using the trick if you suspect a tree root or a hard obstruction, because those need mechanical or professional removal. If you have a trap that can be safely removed under the sink, clear visible debris first and then repeat the soap and hot water cycle before reassembling. If there is no improvement after 30 minutes or repeated cycles, stop and call a plumber to avoid worsening the problem. People often wait too long between attempts and let water and soap cool, which reduces effectiveness, so repeat promptly while water is hot. Another common issue is using cold water or too little soap, which means the lubricating and dissolving action is minimal. Always use hot or boiling water and a generous amount of soap. A third mistake is assuming the soap trick will fix hard scale or root intrusions. If the drain remains slow after multiple tries, do not force more chemicals or excessive water pressure. Instead, open the trap or contact a plumber. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share project experiences that help people plan fixes like this. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and timing expectations so everyone can organize repairs with realistic windows.